Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I know it's been a minute and I'm sorry for the awful quality of the mic situation and the lighting, and you know the drill. I'm sorry. Big oof sorry, please. So, how are you guys? I'm sorry, I'm gonna try to move fast through this since I'm awful. I don't want to have like 3 hours of footage. Starting my face with this paint pot by Wet n Wild. You can't tell because I got shit all over, but it's the white. It's the white white paint pot. And this Wet n Wild brush. I think this is like the foundation brush, something like that. I'm gonna bring that all over my face because yes, we're going goth style. Sorry, I like to make fun of my subculture. Okay, don't at me. So I've applied the I know, sorry. It's gotta look worse before it looks better. So once you've applied that with your brush, use a powder puff and translucent powder and set your face. Ta-da! Now you look like a powdered donut. Oh yeah, I am doing my face. Sorry, I forgot to let you guys know. Now I'm going with my broken Spice Market Blush Palette by Sephora. I'm bronzing my face, even though I just whited it all out. Steps. So I added some highlight to my face. I used part of this, and now I'm gonna do my eyebrows with some gel liner by Wet n Wild. So after a disaster or two with the brows, they came out like this. So from here on until I'm done with the eye look, the video will be voiceover. So let's get over there. Here we go, guys. We're starting with this green shade from this Brights palette by Wet n Wild all over the lid to have a sticky base. Now we're going in with some Bare Minerals with this dark shade to deepen the outer corner. Make sure you're careful with this shade. Now we're going in with Boombox by Suva Beauty to add a different tone of green onto the outer B. We're bringing that color down just a little bit, not too far down. Be careful, it's also very pigmented. Now we're going in with Lemonade, again from Suva Beauty, to diffuse the edges. Make sure you blend enough because it can be very messy. There we go. Blend, blend, blend. Keep blending. Be careful with the colors. Don't be scared of them, by the way, guys. It's just bright colors. Now with that dark shade again, we're going into the inner corner to emphasize the eyebrow structure. We're going to blend that, of course, as well to diffuse it. Now we're going in with this shade. This is another Bare Minerals shade. So bright green shade, shimmery. Blending out the edges, adding more pigment to where we lost it. Now we're going back with that same first shade to deepen that piece on the bottom a little bit where it needs to be darker. You can tell, right? So we're adding more and more and more. We found a different shade of green and we're gonna do that. Yep, just like that. We're adding this shade because I didn't like how that first shade looked, but this other shade on top looked better, and yeah, we did that. Now we're going in with some eyeliner to add depth to the outer corners. After this, I'm gonna blend it and I'm gonna use some shadow. I'm sorry I don't show it here, but yeah, that's what I did. Now we're going in with some gems, some pearls, stick them on, add some red to my waterline. I don't know what happened. I just decided that I needed more and I needed red on my inner corner, on my waterline. Now we're going with some diffused eyeliner situation. Some mascara. This is the Too Faced Versance Better Than Sex mascara and the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. To add more oomph to the lashes, now we're going in with Flight Trap and Emerald City. One's from Jeffree Star and the other one's from Wet Wild to add detail to the eye area. We're using Flight Trap by Jeffree Star specifically for the pearls to make them green, make them bright green. Now we're going in with this Wet n Wild lipstick and diffusing it with this little brush. We're also adding Jeffree Star Cosmetics Weirdo to the lips to give it more emphasis on the dark, deep, and juicy. Now we're using some black shadow to diffuse the edges even farther, and we're going back with Fly Trap to make those pearls green, to make it spooky. And I don't know where this came from, but I decided to add some lines to my face, to my nose. Like, my nose not big enough, I guess. Nobody can see it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Hope you enjoyed. So here I am after a couple doodles and scribbles on my face. Now I'm going to show you how I do the rest. This is what we're going to use. Do that, but equally use dark. Now, this little one, like this, we're gonna chisel the jaw like so. There we go. That looks good. Now to set it, we're gonna use a small brush. We're gonna set it with black. And now with a big fluffy brush, we're gonna go again into that black shade from the Kat Von D palette. And oh my god, I just hit pan. Look at that. Do you see that tiny little bit? That's pan. I am so happy. Okay, so we're gonna put these on and I'll be right back. You see? That's all I have to do. Put them on and then my look is much more complete. They're also double stacked, so they have an extra oomph. So here they are. All, I kind of feel like I look like a panda for some reason. So here it is. This is the finished look. I love it. I mean, I did it. That's probably why. But you know, like, I love this. I don't know what happened. Like at some point in the middle of all this, I just did what my mind wanted me to do, and here I am after all that. I hope you guys enjoy this look. If not, that's okay. You don't have to like it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for the next couple weeks and the next couple looks that I'm gonna do, because this is not it. I will be back. I will be starting to upload more regularly. And yeah, that's it. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and ring the bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. And yeah, see you. Bye.